Okay, so today you will be using what we call adaptive cruise control. So in a second I'm going to ask you to press the mode button, switch it to cruise. I've shown you where it tells you that it's cruise. Then press the RES button down and it will set your cruise control to the speed that you're traveling at now. We're going to try in this lesson today, and then in your next lesson we're going to master it together. So in this lesson I'm going to show you how to turn on your cruise control. In your next lesson I will show you how to master it. To enable cruise control, you will press, I'll make it easy for you, okay? In a second you will press this button RES. Once you press that button, the automatic cruise control will turn on. You do not need to do anything. It will come on and it will travel at the speed that you set. To disable cruise control, just gently touch the brake pedal and it will turn off. In your next lesson, I will show you how to use it properly and how to master it. So what you'll say is, in a second I'm going to show you how to use adaptive cruise control, ACC. What you will do is you will press this RES button down, and the speed that you are traveling at, the car will continue traveling at that speed until you touch the brake pedal, which will then turn it off. Do you understand? Just nod. Keep your hands on the wheel. And then to disable the cruise control, just press your brake pedal and it will turn it off. You will then be in full control of your car. The light notation.